Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine immersing yourself in a cinematic experience right from the comfort of your home, with sound so real it feels like you're part of the movie. That's exactly what the true 5.1.4 hi-fi surround sound system with Dolby Atmos promises to deliver, and I'm excited to dive into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what sets this system apart from your typical soundbar. The HiMuses M514 is a real 5.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos home theater system, complete with an independent center speaker for surround speakers and a dedicated subwoofer. This means you get room-filling sound, precise channel separation, and a cinematic scale that's unparalleled. With 900 W peak power, this system is capable of delivering an immersive experience that will leave you breathless. The independent center speaker is particularly noteworthy, as it locks dialogue in place for clear, focused vocals that make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. But what really gets me excited is the way this system handles bass. The 13.5L wired subwoofer reaches down to 25 Hz, delivering deep, controlled bass that doesn't muddy the mids or highs. This means you get clear voices, rich mid-range, and tight impact even at higher volume levels. And with 4 surround speakers creating smooth, continuous movement around the room, you'll feel like you're surrounded by sound. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or listening to music, this system is designed to transport you to another world. Now, let's talk about the technology that makes all this possible. Each speaker in the system features a precisely tuned independent crossover that directs bass, mids, and treble to the correct drivers. This reduces distortion, prevents frequency overlap, and preserves tonal balance, resulting in cleaner detail, wider soundstage, and natural three-dimensional performance. It's like having a team of audio engineers fine-tuning the sound just for you. And with 16 rose gold aluminum magnesium alloy drivers, you get fast response, low distortion, and accurate detail reproduction that will make you feel like you're hearing your favorite songs or movies for the first time. But what really puts this system over the top is its support for true 3D Dolby Atmos sound. 4 dedicated up-firing height channels create authentic overhead effects and realistic spatial depth, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing a game, this system will transport you to a world of immersive sound that will leave you breathless. And with the ability to connect to your smart TV via eARC and stream music via Bluetooth 5.4, you've got all the connectivity options you need to enjoy your favorite content. So what does all this mean for you? In short, it means you can experience cinema-quality sound right in your own home without breaking the bank. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who loves music, this system is designed to deliver an unparalleled audio experience that will leave you feeling amazed and inspired. And with its sleek design and compact footprint, it's easy to set up and enjoy in any room. In conclusion, the true 5.1.4 hi-fi surround sound system with Dolby Atmos is a game-changer for anyone who loves great sound. With its powerful performance, immersive audio, and cutting-edge technology, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their home entertainment to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible system and experience the future of sound for yourself. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.